hot tortilla sandwich. Super yummy and quick and easy to make.
Let's start by putting some oil into a cold pan, about 1 teaspoon, and spread it around. We're going to use 2 tortillas. The first one, we've wet one side. The reason we're going to do this is so it doesn't dry out and doesn't burn very easily. So let's put the wetted side down onto the oil and keep building our tortilla. Add some ham. Try not to go over the edges. Next, add some tomato and cheese. And just for fun, I'm going to add some peri-peri sauce to it. Not too much. And lastly, whisk up 1 egg. Carefully pour the egg over the tortilla. Wet the other tortilla on both sides. And place it over the top of the whole lot. And now that we've built our tortilla up, let's cook it. The trick to this is to keep the heat really low. You want to cook it for about 10 minutes and you don't want to burn it, so keep the flames low and make sure that it's covered. Okay, it's been about 8 minutes now. Let's have a look underneath and see how things are going. That's looking really golden brown now, so I think that's more than enough. Let's flip it over. Oh, there we go. And we cook this side for another 3 or 4 minutes until it's golden brown on that side as well, leaving the lid off so the whole thing dries out a little bit now. Both sides are now cooked off. You can see that that's nice crispy and crunchy on top, and it's nicely cooked underneath as well. So let's plate it up. This recipe, by the way, is really well worth doing. It's super duper easy, tastes amazing, and fills that hungry spot in the stomach really well.
One of our favourite breakfast and brunch ideas. Super yummy and super filling.